Good morning, dear kids. This is Shilpa Singh, your math tutor. We'll be today taking a new chapter known as sets. Now, what do you mean by a set? Now, suppose if we are using in our day to day life different collective nouns we use, different groups, like if I want to say a group of students playing cricket, a pack of cards, a bunch of flowers, right? So in English we name it as group of nouns, collective nouns, but in maths we call them as sets. Clear? तो सेट जब भी मैं आपको एक ग्रुप ऑफ नंबर सिमिलर नंबर्स दे दूँ, ठीक है, सो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड, जैसे मैंने आपको दे दिया ग्रुप ऑफ ऑल ऑड नंबर्स, तो ऑड नंबर्स में विल गो फॉर 1 3 5 7 एंड सो ऑन टिल infinity. Got my point? So this is called as a set of all odd numbers. Okay. So next we have elements. Now these, as I have written 1, 3, these are called as elements in a set. Okay. Then we have, you will come across a symbol like this. What does this mean? Suppose if I give you A is a set of all odd numbers. So I can write 3 belongs to A. So this is what? This is belongs to. The symbol stands for belongs to. Clear? Then we'll come across the term which is called as cardinal number. What do you mean by cardinal number? How many number of elements are present in your set? जैसे for example I said you that A is a set of all odd numbers from 1 till 10. So how many elements do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be the cardinal number? 5. Got my point clear? So this, it has a limitation. मैंने कहा कि 1 से लेके 10 तक. So this is called as finite set. And यहाँ पे आपने notice किया मैंने infinity. So this is called as infinite set. Infinite set. Sometimes you will have nothing in the set. It is called as empty set, or it is also called as null set. So are you getting my concepts clear? I got with the elements, infinite set, finite set, cardinal numbers, belongs to symbol, empty or null set. Okay. Then we have, as we'll come across, I'll be teaching you what do you mean by joint sets, what do you mean by equal sets, equivalent sets. So these all concepts we will do as we come across the problems in our exercise. Shall we start with our 13A? Okay, let's get started. So we have chapter 13, exercise 13A. Find whether or not each of the following equations each of the following collection represents a set. In that, first it is said the collection of good students in your class. Now good students, you do not see, it's up to a person ना. मेरे हिसाब से सामने वाला गुड है, आपके हिसाब से नहीं है. So we cannot make a set of good students. So I will write it is not a set. Why? As it is not well defined. See, according to you, someone may be good student. According to me, that one may not be a good student. So मेरे सेट में वो गुड स्टूडेंट नहीं आएगा, आपके सेट में आएगा. ठीक है, लेकिन for the time being, the collection of good students in your school, I cannot make a set of it. Then the collection of numbers between 30 to 45. Yes, I can make a set. So second one, it is a set. Third, you have the collection of fat people in your colony. Again, it is not well defined, so it is not a set. Fourth, the collection of interesting books in your school library. Now, as per your interest, your interesting books will be different, my interesting books will be different. So again, we will say it is not a set because it is not well defined. Next is the collection of books in the library and are of your interest. तुम अपने इंटरेस्ट के सेट बना सकते हो. Yes, it is a set. Got my point clear? सिर्फ अपने इंटरेस्ट के बुक्स का सेट बनाना है तो हम लोग सेट बना सकते हैं. Clear? Okay. Next we have question number 2. In that we have state whether true or false. Set which consists of 4, 5, 8 is same as 5, 4, 8. Now एक सेट में ये एलिमेंट्स हैं, एक सेट में ये एलिमेंट्स हैं. Can we say these both are same? Yes, we can say your first statement is true. Second says there is a set which consists of A, B, M, N, and there is a set which also consists of A, M, B, N, N. My dear kids, एलिमेंट्स अगर रेपिटेटिवली आ रहे हैं उनको सिंगल ही माना जाता है. सो हियर इट इज ए बी एम एन, हियर ऑल्सो ए बी एम एन. सो आर दे सेम? यस, ट्रू. थर्ड वी हैव सेट ऑफ लेटर्स इन वर्ड. ओके, एस यू, set of letters in the word. Okay, we have S, U, then we have C, H, I, M, T, A. As I said you, अब हमने जब सेट बनाया तो इसका ओरिजिनल वर्ड है S, U, C, H, I, S, M, I, T, A. When I make a set, I will not repeat the words. जैसे यहाँ पे S repeated है, I repeated है. But here in my set, I will not repeat S. I'll take it as one only. ठीक है? So same elements are there. So yes, your third is also true. Then you have fourth, which says there's a set of letters Mahmood. Mahmood spelling is M-A-H M-O-O-D. But when I'm making set, what did I say to you? I will not repeat my words. So M is there, A is there, H is there. O I'll take one only and D. So I will not repeat M and I will not repeat O. So will that third set work same like this? So yes, so your fourth is also true. Got my point clear? Next we have question number 4, which says A is 6, 8, 10, 12 and B, which is 3, 9, 15, 18. You have to insert symbol that is belongs to or not belongs to make the following. फर्स्ट 6 डैश ए. क्या ए में 6 बिलोंग्स टू आएगा या नॉट बिलोंग्स टू? बिलोंग्स टू. सेकेंड 10 डैश बी. क्या 10 है बी सेट में? नो, सो नॉट बिलोंग्स टू. थर्ड 18 डैश बी. Is 18 is there in your set B? Yes, belongs to. Then you have fourth 6 plus 3 dash B. What is 6 plus 3? 9. क्या 9 है B में? Yes, belongs to. Fifth 15 minus 9 dash B. What is 15 minus 9? 6. Is 6 there in your B set? No. So not belongs to. 7th, we have 12 dash A. Is 12 there in your A set? Yes, belongs to. 13, next 8th, 6 plus 8 dash A. What is 6 plus 8? 14. So 14 है क्या A में? नहीं. So not belongs to. Then you have 9th, 6 and 8. 6 and 8 dash A. क्या 6 और 8 दोनों हैं A में? Yes, belongs to. Got my point clear? That was very easy. Okay. Next we have question number 4, which says express each of the following sets in roster form. Now my dear kids, roster मतलब आपको न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्म में उस इक्वेशन को प्रेजेंट करना है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम गिविंग यू, फर्स्ट इज एक्सप्रेस इन रोस्टर फॉर्म. First in that is set of odd numbers between 15 and 27. So you have to make a set, and how you write the solution? You can name set A and you can write all the odd numbers between 15 to 27. So that will be 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. Got my point clear? Second is A is set of letters in the word Chittambaram. Chittambaram. What did I say to you for the solution? What did I say to you? That how you will write? You will not repeat the word. That is Chittambar. What I have not repeated? Can you see? M is repeated here. I have taken only one. A is repeated here. I have taken only one. Next is third. In third we have B is all even numbers. All even numbers from 15 to 26. Can we do that on our own? Yes. Fourth is P is X such that, this is a such that sign, such that X is a vowel in the word arithmetic. Yes. Arithmetic में vowel. Vowel, do you know what is vowel? A-E-I-O-U. चलो fourth का solution करते हैं. How you will write? You will write P, and P is the set of vowels. Vowels are A, I and E. Perfect. Don't use the capital letters. Let's not use the capital letters. Okay, we'll keep it as the small letters. Next we have fifth, which says 6 says S is a set of square of first 8 whole numbers. First 8 whole numbers and the square of that. So how you will write 1 ka square? So start from 0. 0 whole number starts from 0. 0 का square 0, 1 का square 1, 2 का 4, 3 का 9, 4 का 16, 5 का 25, 6 का 36 and 7 का 49. So these are your 8 whole numbers का square. Got my point clear? Next we have problem number 6. And it says set of all integers between 7 and 94 which are divisible by 6. 7 और 94 के बीच में जो भी नंबर्स आते हैं उनका सेट बनाना है which are divisible by 6. Will you give a try on your own? Yes. Seventh we will go for, and it says C is a set of all composite numbers from between 2 to 20. Between 2 and 20. Okay. What do you mean by that is, 1 is your prime number. Prime number जो सिर्फ 1 की टेबल में और अपनी टेबल में आते हैं. Leaving those prime numbers, rest other numbers are called as composite number. So leave the prime numbers and your rest other numbers like 4 you can get in 2 table, you can get in 4 table, you can get in 1 table. Then 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18. Why I have left 19? 19 is a prime number. Why I have left 1, 2? Because 2. Why I have left 2? Because it's a prime number. Why I have left 5? Again it's a prime number. So leaving all prime numbers, the rest of the numbers between 2 and 20 will be called as composite numbers. Is that clear? Eighth we have D is a set of all prime numbers. And now you have prime numbers from 2 to 23. Now my dear kids, 2 to 23. See, there's a difference in the word from and between. जब हम between बोलते हैं तो you cannot take 2 and 20. It should be in between 2 and 20. But when I'm saying from 2 to 23, that means 2 you have to include if it is a prime number, and 23 also you have to include if it is a prime number. So D is a set of prime numbers. So I will take all the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Am I correct? Yes. Next we'll go for problem number 8. Okay, 9 I guess. Okay, 9 we have. 9 says G is a set of names of 3 closed figures in geometry. Have I read it wrong? Yes. 9 says set of natural numbers below 30 which are divisible by 2 or 5. So, set of numbers divisible by 2 or 5. So, how you will make a set? Let's see. Now see, जो 2 के साथ भी हो या 5 के साथ हो, तो 2 के साथ जो भी नंबर्स हैं, अच्छा बिटवीन कुछ रेंज दिया है क्या? लेट मी चेक. द रेंज इज गिवन. हाँ, टिल 30. up till 30 you can take. So 2 divisible by 2 और 5. 2 2 की टेबल में जाएगा, 4 2 की टेबल में जाएगा, 5 5 की टेबल में जाएगा, 6 2 की टेबल में जाएगा, 8 2 की टेबल में जाएगा. yes और no? 10 2 की टेबल में जाएगा, 12 14 15 5 में जाएगा, 16 18 20 22 by 2, 24 by 2, 25 by 5, 26 by 2, 28 by 2, like this till 30. Up till 30. Up till 30 means you don't have to include 30. Below 30 it is given. तो 30 से नीचे वाले सभी numbers either they are divisible by 2 or 5. दोनों लेने हैं इस set में. Clear? Next we have problem number 10 which says F is a set of factors of 24. Set of factors of 24. माय डियर किड्स, 24 कौन सी टेबल में आता है? 24 1 में आता है, 2 12 ज़ार आता है, देन यू हैव 3 में आता है, 8 ज़ार, देन यू हैव, यस माय डियर किड्स, 24 अपनी टेबल में आता है, एंड 4 and 6 आई फॉरगॉट टू राइट. ओके, सो 4 and 6 क्लियर. तो जिस टेबल में 24 आता है सभी लिखने हैं. ओके. Okay, I'll pack up here. If you still have any doubt, you can call me or message me on my personal number. God bless.